Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here. We are on week 5 of our master bath renovation, and today the doors were installed. So that's really cool because I finally get to see the doors that I chose, and I really love them. They are not completely done yet. It was a door and trim day, so I can show you some of the doorknobs, but not all of them have been installed yet. So let's check it out. So over here, look, it's my little closet doors, and they're French opening. They don't have knobs yet, but they are going to open. They have those little notches up at the top. So they're a pull door. And so I have the same thing, his and hers, on both sides. I just love the way that's going to look. And of course, everything's going to get painted in here still. Right now, these doors are just primed. So those will, and they've got handprints on them. And I actually just vacuumed in here too, because even though they did a fairly good job, I just want to get all that dust off my floor. So remember this little baby closet over here? Okay, you can see the little handle on there now. Isn't it cute? Look at it. And that's just the little pull closet into there. And I just love these handles. I think they just look a little bit different than the doorknobs, because they're kind of like egg shaped. And I want that for muscle memory. I want to think egg shape, you pull, and then here is the bathroom entrance door. And this door is a solid door. It matches our entrance door here, so I kind of kept the same style. It still needs to be primed and it needs to be painted, so it will be white. For now, it just looks like a big wooden door. And I love these handles too, just from the same company that did the other knobs. And here is my closet. I really love this closet door. This is our little closet within our bathroom. And this one just turns as well. And I'm gonna have some shelves put in here for some linens. And I'm gonna have my laundry hamper in here. And I have my little outlet in there too that will be installed, so I can charge like a little vacuum cleaner in there. But I love these frosted glass doors, and this has to still be painted, and that plastic film is still on those little windows right now, but it is a frosted glass, so you can't see in. But I thought that would jazz up the corner of that room a little bit, rather than just having like a regular door for the bathroom. And right next to it will be the toilet. And everywhere here, you can see the window didn't have trim for the longest time. Now it has trim again. And all the baseboards, almost all of them have been installed. Over here is going to be where the vanity is. So that will not have trim on this side, because the vanity will be there. And I think I showed you the shower head yesterday that got placed yesterday. No work was done on any of the plumbing stuff today. It was pretty much a door and trim day, but I love my little closet doors. I'm so happy with the way that they turned out. So there's a couple things, the trim is kind of being installed here. It got installed all the way around the doors and stuff. We do have this little gap right here, this hardwood floor gap. We're going to have our hardwood guy, the one that came to refinish our floors when we first moved in, and we're going to do something here hardwood wise. This is on the same level, so I'm just want a smooth transition, so there's no bump or anything like that. So that's not going to happen until November, because there's too much traffic happening here. So we're just going to kind of live with that. The contractor said he'd put like a temporary piece in when they were done, just to kind of have a threshold there until they could get the hardwood guy can come. So that's it for today. It's pretty exciting. I don't know what's happening tomorrow, actually. I have to find out from the contractor if there's anything scheduled. I am not sure. Oh, I am getting the closets measured tomorrow for organizers, but there's nothing going to be happening on that front. So I don't know if I'll have an update for you until next week, but if I do, I will definitely post one. Have a great rest of your week, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.